Hi, I'm Brian Hilgeman. I'm a internal medicine physician. I currently work part-time at 16th Street Community Health Centers, and I wanted to tell you about my experience as an AmeriCorps member at 16th Street Clinic. So my journey actually started 15 years ago when I graduated from college. I had been accepted to medical school, but wasn't sure that was exactly the path I wanted to follow. And so I ended up taking a year off and decided that I wanted to do an AmeriCorps experience to really kind of serve and give back and learn and kind of have a year to explore. And I actually didn't even know what a community health center was at that time, and I came across 16th Street, and I'm from the Milwaukee area, and decided to apply and had an interview and loved it and took the job. And it ended up being a life-changing experience in terms of kind of how it affected me as a person and also affected my career path. So when I signed up, I ended up joining in at the diabetes education department, and I was able to develop my own kind of program where I was able to teach patients in the exam room before they saw their doctors about healthy eating and diabetes and kind of tracking their A1Cs and setting goals with them, and it ended up being just kind of a really cool experience. In addition to that, I was able to meet some really incredible physicians and providers at 16th Street and diabetes educators that just really taught me a lot about compassion and providing excellent care to vulnerable patients. So it was a wonderful year for me, and it solidified my decision to enroll in medical school. But it also kind of changed my goals with medicine, in that I wanted to focus on primary care and I wanted to focus on service of vulnerable populations after my experience. So when I was in medical school, I signed up for the Triumph program at UW-Madison, the training in urban medicine and public health, because of my experience at 16th Street. I was actually able to come back to 16th Street and rotate and do a project as well, which was a great experience. And then I actually chose my residency to go to a county hospital in Minneapolis because of my desire to serve the underserved as well, and had a great experience there. And naturally, once I finished residency, I applied for a job at 16th Street, and I came back, and since then I've been working at 16th Street and have loved it, and I would have never ended up at 16th Street without my experience at AmeriCorps. And also, in addition to that, I wouldn't have followed this career path, and I wouldn't have been as caring and compassionate and thorough of a physician as I am now without the experience that I had. So all the great mentors that I met at 16th Street and all the great people that I've worked with, I thank them so much for this experience, and I encourage you guys to apply and look into this experience. I think it would be great for anybody, whether you're looking at the healthcare field or other fields or anything for your future. It's a great experience, so take care.